Would you rather lose a million naira or you lose your phone? Which one?
Million naira.
You lose a million naira. Why?
Yeah, because I use my phone for business.
The contact I have on my phone can give me so much more than millions.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Dan. You can also call me the 5-star general. Today we're on the street of Lagos to ask people, would you rather lose a million naira or your phone? So drop your comments in the comment section, drop your location also, and one might say you might actually be the winner of our giveaway. This is Fox TV. Keep it locked down. Okay, Martin, would you rather lose 1 million naira or your phone?
My phone.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Why?
But my phone is more important. There are some contacts that is there and some other things. So if I even collect the 1 million and buy another phone, I have to be looking for the contacts again. So it's better I should lose 1 million than my phone.
Fola Shade. So a very quick one. Would you rather lose a million naira or your phone?
Million naira.
You lose a million naira. Why?
Because my phone is so important.
Your phone is so important.
Yes, I can see that million naira through my phone.
You can see that million naira through your phone.
Yes.
Okay, what do you do?
I sell tap at Computer Village.
So yeah, a millionaire. So would you rather lose a million naira or your phone?
I would rather lose a million naira.
Why?
Yeah, because I use my phone for business.
You use a phone for business?
Yes.
So what kind of phone do you use presently?
I just use Infinix. I'm not phone freaks. I'm not all the
Infinix. All right. Big shout out to Infinix. Infinix, you're seeing one of your customers here. So Infinix can be a part of these street voice pop. Would you rather lose a million naira or you lose your phone? Which one?
1 million naira on my phone. Where is 1 million naira coming from?
Okay. Answer.
Where is 1 million naira coming from? 1
Okay.
million naira based on what? Based on my contract or based on...
No, like you have 1 million, you have your phone. Which of them would you prefer to lose?
My brother, I prefer my phone.
All right, Israel. Would you rather lose a million naira or your phone?
I will lose my phone.
You'll lose your phone. Yeah. Why?
Because for now the phone is not valuable to me.
Right now, your phone is not valuable to you. Yeah. So you go prefer make you not lose 1 million, make you lose your phone.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm working at Computer Village here.
You're working at Computer Village. So what kind of phone or what brand of phone do you use presently?
I use Techno T210.
So you use Techno T210. Okay, looks like we need to buy. What's the name again?
Israel.
Looks like we need to get Israel a new phone, because if Israel has a phone, he wouldn't want to lose the phone if he has enough details, contacts that will give him more than 1 million naira on his phone. It's Friday. Yeah. So now a very quick one. Would you rather lose a million naira or you lose your phone?
Well, I would prefer to lose my phone right now.
You prefer to lose your phone right now?
Yeah.
Why?
Because if I have a million naira now, I can get another one.
Joe. Yes. What's the name?
Nelson.
Why are you guys on Max?
It's the code.
We are good. Code. Okay. All right. So now a very quick one. Would you rather lose a million naira or your phone? Let's start from Joe.
I'll lose a million naira.
You lose a million naira?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I know how much I can make with my phone, and the million naira save. Well, where is the entrance save? It's not the bank, and I'm going to get a lot from my phone.
What about you?
Actually, like you said, I would rather lose a million naira.
You rather lose a million naira?
Yes.
Sorry, what do you guys do? Oh, you're tech boys?
Yes.
Wow, awesome. I can see why you're saying that your phone is important. Yeah. Okay, but on a very serious note, a lot of people used to say their phone is their life. Like most people used to say they can't do without their phone. But I've seen people on the street today say they rather lose their phone and go with their million naira than. But now you're saying the otherwise. So that means to you, your phone is as precious as the money.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Joel and Nelson. Thank you so much. All right.